Everyone, welcome back to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. Today's letters is sa, ta. So far we have learned letters a, ba, cha, da, e, fa, ga, ha, I, ja, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ku, ra. And today is sa and ta. Now for S, we have words that begin with S. For example, Samora. Repeat after me. Samora. And Samora means to harvest in English. Let's sing this together. Sa is for Samora. Sa, Samora. Sa is for Samora. Sa, Samora. Good job. So the next letter is letter T. And one of the most common words in Ekegusii that starts with T, which is ta in Ekegusii, is tata. Tata means dad or father. So repeat after me. Tata. Ta is for tata. Sing together with me. Ta is for tata. Ta, ta, tata. Ta is for tata. Ta, ta, tata. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you have followed this far. I'm Boyani from Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. I appreciate you. Thanks for following, and kindly continue to watch, like, share, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye. See you in the next one.